Hi guys, welcome back to another video of the Food Academy. Today we are going to cook a delicious Arab dish called Mandhi. It's a simple dish and you will love it. First we slice up some onion and garlic. Here we have soaked 3 cups of Sella Basmati rice for 3 hours with cold water. But if you don't have enough time, you can soak for 1 hour in warm water. We also have cooked chickpeas, our sliced onion, chopped garlic, cardamom, black pepper and salt, and other spices which are mentioned in the description below. Here is 1 kilogram of fresh mutton meat cut into large pieces and leave on some fat. We are going to cook the meat using an instant pot, but if you don't have one, you can use any pressure cooker. Place the meat in the pot without any salt or seasoning, as we will season later on. Just cover the meat with 3 cups of water. Place the lid on, then cook the meat for about 60 minutes or more until the meat is tender, depending on your pressure cooker. While waiting for the meat to cook, we'll get started on the chickpeas. Add some oil to a hot pan. Add our sliced onion and garlic. Cook it until the color is golden brown and make sure you don't overcook it. Once the color has become golden brown, add the chickpeas and let it cook. Then add all your spices, black pepper, cardamom, salt, and here we also add paprika for some color, and 7 spices. Mix well and fry for 1 minute. Then add half cup of water, mix well and let it cook for another 5 minutes. After 1 hour, it's time to check our meat. It should be nice and tender. Make sure to season well both sides with salt only. This will bring the best flavor of the meat. Now it's time to preheat our oven. Make sure it's on the boiler setting on 180 degrees Celsius. Here we have the stock from the meat, strained rice, and chickpeas that we cooked earlier. Add the rice into the stock, then the chickpeas. After you put everything in the pot, mix it well, and we just have enough stock for the rice. If you need more, you can add some water. Then put the lid on and cook for 7 minutes. Make sure the valve is closed. Here we're diluting saffron for coloring. Put on top of the meat and rub on both sides. This will give nice color, however, this step is optional. If you want to get the traditional color of mandi, you should do this step. Then finally, place the meat into the oven for about 10 minutes. We don't want to overcook, we just want to get crispy and golden brown color. After 7 minutes, our rice is ready. And again, put the saffron on top of the rice. Cover it for a few minutes so that the rice can absorb the color. Mix it well and let the steam escape so it will stop the cooking process. At the same time, our meat is ready. I added some sesame seed on top as garnish. As you can see, the outside meat is crispy and golden brown. It's time for plating. Our mandi is ready. Looks so yummy. Wow, the meat is so crispy from the outside and tender from the inside. Check this out. Well, that's it for now. I will see you again in another video of the Food Academy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comment if you want us to cook food from your country. Bye-bye.